Marketing, creative, or AI, ready to lead. Stand out with globally recognized ISO certifications. Clients choose agencies that prove excellence. Celebrate results backed by reliable systems. Strategy thrives when processes are disciplined. Efficiency, security, quality designed into your workflow. Confidence grows when teams trust the framework. Creativity soars when standards remove chaos. Compliance worries turn them into competitive wins. Lost proposals hurt. Missing certification costs revenue. Rejections vanish when requirements are met. Goodbye disorder, hello repeatable, scalable delivery. Build trust quickly with verifiable compliance. Reduce risk with proactive, auditable controls. Certified agencies win more clicks and confidence. RFPs demand ISO. Check the box with pride. Meet USQC, your fast track to certification. ISO 9001, consistent quality, delighted clients. ISO 27001, protect data, earn deep trust. ISO 14001, sustainability that clients appreciate. ISO 45001, safety culture powering great work. ISO 1002, happier customers, smarter resolutions. ISO 37301, compliance baked into daily operations. ISO 29100, privacy engineered from the start. ISO 44001, partnerships that actually perform. ISO 22301, resilience, even when disruptions hit. ISO 3414, people metrics driving better decisions. All together, one powerful, credible proof of excellence. Imagine your studio humming with confident momentum. Clients feel it instantly. Trust, clarity, certainty, more contracts, shorter cycles, bigger opportunities. Get certified with USQC. Start today. Visit usqc.us to explore your pathway. USQC, standardizing success. Let's certify your edge.